Click the bell icon to get latest videos from Ekeeda.
Well friends, in the previous topic we have discussed about the dual nature of the light as well as the electron, and now here basically we are going to talk about the de Broglie equation, and this is the equation which have proved that how the electron can behave like light as well as a wave. So now let's get started. So friends, in the previous topic, as we have discussed about the dual nature of the electron, from where we have got to know that is obviously the electron, it acts like a particle because obviously it has a mass, but it also behaves like a wave. So this can be given by the equation that is de Broglie equation. So according to de Broglie, it means that a particular particle, obviously a very minute particle just like electron or proton, they can behave like a wave also. So this was been given by the equation that is lambda is equals to h divided by mv, where this is the de Broglie wavelength. H is nothing but the Planck's constant, m is the mass of the particle, and v is the velocity. So suppose if a particular particle is moving with a particular velocity, and obviously because of having a particular mass, this will have a momentum, and the momentum can be given with the formula that is mv is equals to p. So therefore we could write the de Broglie equation as lambda is equals to h divided by p. But this de Broglie equation is mostly applicable to the minute particles like electron, proton, and further, but it is not applicable to the particle which are bigger in size. So this equation extensively gives us a detail about the dual nature of electron, because electron also have a particular mass, it moves with a particular velocity around the nucleus, and this is how basically it has a value of m, it has a value of v, and we can predict the Planck's constant because we know the Planck's constant value, and this is how basically we can predict the lambda, that is de Broglie wavelength. So this indicates that is the electron has a dual nature, that is of a particle as well as a wave. And that's it. So thank you friends for watching this video. I hope you have understood this video very clearly, and I hope I'll see you next time. Till then, don't forget to subscribe Ekeeda channel. Thank you so much.